Welcome to room 308 at Universal's Aventura Hotel. Time for a room tour. Okay, so here we go. We're at the entrance to the room. The first thing on the right is actually one of those adjoining doors. Say if you've got a big family, you can use that. I'm presuming that's what that's for. And then directly on the left of the door is me. Hello. Doing a weird wave with two fingers there, she said. Nice big mirror. I don't know myself, so I'm not worried about the mirror. It's got some nice artwork on the walls. Follows the futuristic theme, or the modern theme. Some nice storage area, I take it, yep. Is that spare bedding? I think there might be spare bedding. Then you've got coat hangers, an ironing board. It's basically the same on this side of the storage unit. And then here, I don't know what this is, maybe that's just blocked off the air conditioning. I think so. Tea and coffee making facilities. Yeah, not a tea and coffee drinker myself, but hey ho. And there's the entrance again, and this is the bathroom, just on the other side of the entrance. And what I like about this, there's no bath. I don't like baths, because my skin gets really irritated when I soak in bath water. So this is welcome, really welcome. Having a walk in the shower, and I don't actually have to get over the bath lip. It's normally about here, and you have to step over it, and it's just a bit of a kerfuffle. So yeah, some nice touches here. Yeah, bog standard toilet, pun intended. Yeah, all the usual things you'd expect. Towels, a nice modern sink area with me again. Don't want to see that ugly mug anymore. Yeah, I do like these modern hotels. Some people think it's boring, there's not enough theming. But I didn't fancy standing. I don't fancy standing in Cabana Bay. Standing. I said it again, didn't I? I'm stupid, sorry. But I don't fancy... I'll keep on this in. I don't fancy staying in a more expensive hotel when I'm not going to be able to appreciate the theming more. When I'm not going to be in the hotels at all. Well, most of the day anyway. So yeah, things like this. Like just the nice big mirrors, nice modern sittings. Everything is just modern, and it's a good rate as well, a good room rate, and nice divider, even the divider between the bathroom and the bed, or both beds, there's two beds, it's fantastic. So I don't need anything more than this actually, we've already looked at this, and then one thing I want to show you is this I think is a Bluetooth speaker from what I've seen. You can connect your phone, I take it on there. And there's a nice light. It's got one of those controls, it looks like. Touch sensitive. Air got on. I've got it down to 60 at the moment. They had it on 70. How dare they? Nice desk area, which I won't be making use of because I don't edit on the go at the moment because I don't have the equipment yet. It's not worthwhile for me yet. I've only just started. So yeah. I won't be using that unless it's storage for like merchandise and stuff I buy from the parks. So yeah, that's nice, it's nice, don't get me wrong, it's nice. And then there's the TV, and I'll show you how that's controlled in a second, just bear with me. Nice little seating area. And one of my favourite things is the room, before I started recording this fancy light. It looks so fancy, but then you realise the light is actually at the top. I get intrigued by the simplest of things, everybody. You'll learn to know that. And then here, I love this. You can see the reflections, of course, you can see me again. We're not here for that though. And then here we go. I wanted to stay up there, but on the other side to see the parks. But they're all booked out. All booked out, I'm afraid. I can't get a skyline view. There's the entrance area. And just to the right here, it shares kind of the same area as Sapphire Falls, just to the right of frame. And you've got Cabana Bay all over there, the left of frame, and all the way through the middle. All the way through the middle. It's a massive resort. The hotel room I'm in at the moment is part of, obviously, a hotel. It's a very small footprint. So yeah, but it's very nice. And then here you go, as they say, where the magic happens. Not this trip, wink wink. Yeah, nice big beds. Every time I come to America, the beds are very big. and I'm not a tall person, I'm 5'9", which is just below average. So you've got 2 beds. Ignore the mess at the moment, I'm not entirely tidied up yet. Nice big beds. I've not tested the pillows yet, so we don't know about those yet. But here we have one of those lights again. The usual phone, and this tablet. If you bear with me, I will show you what that does. So here we go, here's the tablet. Then you obviously press the home button. I don't know if this is an iPad but rebranded, but here we go, we could do all sorts. We got the home button, about resort. This is all new to me, so excuse if I don't get everything in shot. So you got a welcome. What does this show you? Oh, this gives you some welcome stuff, activities, pool hours. I don't need that for this, but that's pretty useful actually. Room controls, I can do it all through here. I kind of had a feeling you could. Actually, I did know you could actually. That one on the wall I just showed you just tricked me. So lights. Okay, what do we do? What do we do? What do we do? Desk lamp. It doesn't work. Oh, it does. Oh, it does. You don't see it, but it works. Let me press it. Let me press it. Oh, focus. Desk lamp. Turn off. Boom. Turn on. Nice. And then back, we got the floor lamp. I won't show you all of them. That'll bore you. I take it you can do temperature as well. 68. I did set that manually on the wall, but I'll mess around with that later on. So you've got TV and media. You could do your usual stuff, television. You've got your usual channels. Don't turn the TV on. I think it's just turn the TV on. Yeah, it automatically turned the TV on when I selected this part of the menu. Mute. Yeah, all this. But what I like really a lot is this. You can link your YouTube. Might be a bit cautious doing it actually, because I don't really want to link my personal YouTube to that. So I'll probably just use my phone anyway. I'll give it a go. I'll give it a go. And dining. I take it this will show you everything they got on offer. I might do a tour of the hotel this trip. So it might be a surprise. I don't know, it might be a surprise video because there's a lot of things downstairs. I say a lot, but you got the normal food places. It looks like quite a fancy pizza place. Yeah, I take it that shows you all the menus and stuff. It's not that interesting. And this, you can get a robot to bring you toiletries and stuff. I don't want to accidentally press one of these and do something wrong, so I won't press that now. Got to set alarm, car rental, and the vacation planning centre is where I got my universal pass from just after I checked in. So that's pretty good. Internet and tools, just your usual stuff, weather, internet, etc. And you can chat with them down here, as you can see. So, I don't want to show you the TV just in case I get copyright striked. So I suppose I could turn... Can I turn the main lights off? Is that all this is? Oh, it is. No, it's not. That's the bathroom area. You can't see it. Ah, sleep. No. No, 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 no. Well, I don't want an alarm. Panic. It's dark. And we're back. I just skip a bit, but I accidentally pressed the wrong button. So yeah, go back to home. There's my name. I don't worry about seeing my name. It's quite easy to find it. Room 308. Nice theming. I do like the branding. So yeah, I've probably shown you too much of that. So yeah, perfect. It's really good. Techie, gadgety, something I really like. So there we go. As you can see, I've showed you most of the tablet there, but that's one of the things that stands out with this hotel. You don't have to do everything manually. I mistakenly did the AC when I came in, and obviously you can use the tablet. I totally forgot. It's very nice. As you've just seen, I pressed one of the wrong buttons, And I accidentally turn all the lights off, but there we go. You can do your YouTube and do your TV channels all through the iPad. Everything, lights, TV, YouTube, just your general information stuff, the vacation planning centre stuff, temperature, you name it, everything is great. It's one of the reasons I picked this hotel. And it was going to be quieter anyway. Cabana Bay is a bit louder, I've heard. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye, have a good day.